Hi everybody, today we're looking at this amazing 1-bedroom, 1-bath home. It's got beautiful window in the front and this is your side yard. It's a patio, a shed, central air conditioning, and let's take a look inside. I have brand new steps made here. Oh wow, look at this house. How nice is that? And this is adorable. Look at this stunning wainscoting. This is really pretty. So let's look on this side. And you've got the kitchen. So much cabinetry, so much space. I staged it with these adorable little mats and beautiful flowers. Smile. Look at this house. This is beautiful. Oh my gosh, this is so adorable. I'm so happy for someone, whoever's gonna be living here. You're gonna just love it. It's a great community. It's a great place to live. The curtains are adorable. We left those from the previous owner. All the appliances are brand new. Isn't that nice? This is all wood cabinetry. And we'll go down the hallway, check out this wonderful bathroom. We've redone everything, the flooring, the cabinetry, the toilet. Got a skylight up there that really brightens the place up. Here's space for your washer and dryer, and you close the door and it's super quiet. And it's a full tile shower. What do you think of that? There you go. Let's take a look at this side here. Lots of room, and the floor is so pretty. We did a great job here. Ricardo did a fabulous job. So again, that's where your washer and dryer go. And then let's look at the master bedroom. The only bedroom, I should say, right? Welcome. So you can fit a queen size, a full size, a twin size. You've got an enormous whole wall of closet space. This is completely cedar lined. You will love it. And these double doors are amazing to be able to open up and check out all of your clothing. Seriously, this is a lady's dream come true, right? I even left extra flooring down there that we redid this whole floor all over. So that's a cedar-lined closet. We've got fans all over in the house. Take a look at that. That's amazing. So you've got central air conditioning, hot air furnace, fabulous location, close to New York City. So pretty. Fan there. And this wainscoting is stunning. We're really pleased with how this came out. What do you think of that house? Wow. Look at the floor we did here. Plenty of room for your furniture. Can't wait to see who's gonna buy this adorable house. Email me at info@dolanhomes.com and check out our website at myhomeincarteret.com. Thanks for stopping in. Don't forget to like and subscribe.